So now you know what determines the principal component of a data set. It's the direction that has the largest variance in the data. So in our example, that would be this heavy red line here. You can see how this is very different from a regression, although I know it sometimes looks like the same thing. But here what you're trying to do is you're trying to find the direction of maximal variance, not to make a prediction. So here's a question for you. This is a tough one, so give it some thought and then tell me what you think. Why do you think we define the principal component this way? What's the advantage of looking for the direction that has the largest variance? In other words, when we're doing our projection of this two-dimensional feature space down onto one dimension, why do we project all the data points down onto this heavy red line instead of projecting them onto this shorter line? Just as an example of a different way that it could be. Do we want to use this direction because it's the computationally easiest direction to find? Do you think that it's the best because it'll retain the maximum amount of information from the original data, that when we do this two-dimensional compression down to one dimension, that we keep as much information as possible with this formulation? Or do you think it's just a convention and maybe there's no real reason?